Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your HelloFresh account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your HelloFresh account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address hellofresh.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home page of the HelloFresh. Now over here guys, on the home page of HelloFresh, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the login button available for us. In order to sign into our account, just click on that button. And over here guys, you can see this is the login panel of the HelloFresh, where there you can see there is a manual login process, and you can see there is the automated login process with these Google, Apple, Facebook, as well as the login without password option. Over here can go to any of these if you want to, and if you click on either of these three buttons where it says the sign in with Google, login with Apple, and login with Facebook, if you click on any either of these three buttons, a login page to Google or Apple or your Facebook account will open. And if you log into your respected accounts, you'll be logged into your HelloFresh platform with your Google or your Apple or your Facebook, with which you chose. And if you click on the login without password, you will just be required to enter your email address, and a link will be sent to you on your email address. And if you click on that link, you'll be redirected to the logged in page of the HelloFresh. But with that being said guys, in order to proceed, let's go to the manual sign in. To do that, enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here. And after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and you'll be redirected and after that you'll be logged into your HelloFresh account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.